I'm Dr. Prasanna Rao D and I'm CTO at HMX. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. The globe is warming and India is a large country. For people to be productive and healthy, we need to maintain comfortable working conditions, comfortable conditions overall, and good indoor air quality. HVAC has a very important role in this to maintain sustainable operations of our customers. In this context, I'd like to introduce our innovative product based on indirect evaporative cooling, at the heart of which is something called the Dama, the dry air moist air. This is a very innovative, cost-effective, long-lasting heat exchanger which deliver comfortable conditions to our customers. HMX is part of A.T.E group, an 86-year-old group set up pre-independence and privately held. We are into several sectors, all connected to environment.